Everyone, my name is Chantel Voss. I'm the founder of Carli.ai. And during this webinar, we're going to talk a little bit about how we can help you monetize your Facebook group. So let me just move this to the side and get started. So Carli.ai right now works primarily with Facebook admins and online community creators. And we help them to, as I mentioned, earn a consistent income from their groups. So Carli itself is a fully compliant, 100% approved Facebook group application. And it makes it easy for you to earn that consistent income. It is absolutely free to install in your Facebook groups. And if you've ever installed any app in your group, you know that it takes less than a minute to do. It's very simple. So I'm sure you're wondering, how is it that Carli, by installing an app, Carli can help me earn income? So if you are a group admin, I just want you to kind of think about how often your group members ask for referrals or recommendations in your group. And I'm talking about the types of groups where people are saying, can anybody help me? I need help with. Can anyone recommend? Or I'm in search of. So, all of those posts are really important to local businesses or businesses that are associated with your Facebook group. And there are, in fact, businesses in your group right now, or people in your group that own businesses who would absolutely love the opportunity to respond to those recommendation requests that are asked about in your group every single day. So, just as a quick sort of example, I am taking examples from a few of the local groups in my area. And as you can see, I have said here, this person is looking for a nanny and they want a long term commitment. This person's looking for a hairstylist, personal injury attorney, a plumber, or summer camps. So I just want you to know that while this is happening every single day, the plumber in your local group or the personal injury attorney in your group, they're already responding to these individual posts. So when this person asks for a plumber, and a plumber responds to that request, that job may be worth, if it's a leak, I don't know, maybe it's worth $1,500, maybe it's worth $3,000. If it is a hairstylist and that person is able to earn their business on a consistent basis for a couple of years, how much would that be worth? So these are just some of the examples. They can range really drastically just depending on the type of group that you have. And so here's how it works. Once you install Carli in your group, then what can happen is businesses can actually start to pay a monthly fee to receive a notification, an alert, whenever somebody is asking about a product or a service that they provide. So when somebody says, can anyone recommend a plumber? And there's a plumber in your group, I'm pretty sure they're going to want to get a notification by email that somebody in your group is asking for a plumber. Now, right now, if you use this, you have admin alerts in your Facebook group, but your members don't. They are probably missing lots of really important sales opportunities or networking opportunities that are occurring in your group. And what Carli does is it gives them a software, an app that allows them to get this notification and hopefully earn that person's business. And when they pay to subscribe to that Carli application, when they pay that monthly fee, we share that fee with you 50%. So all of the fees generated from your group, you'll earn 50%. And hopefully you won't have to really do anything other than, what we're saying here, Let me move my screen. Well, it's not letting me, so I'm just going to get rid of it. So once you install the app in your group, and as we mentioned, this takes 30 seconds and it's absolutely free, you can also sign up as our affiliate. And anybody that uses your link will be able to track all of the revenue, all of the money that's generated from your group. And you'll be able to log into a dashboard and take a look at the revenue that's generated, and then we'll pay you each month. And then if you wish, this isn't something that's required, but you can promote Carli in your group, and we've actually done some pre-written copy. We've already written the messages for you, so you don't even have to think about it. In fact, you could just schedule posts in your group or pin an announcement in your group and let people know that this is now available to them. And when they click on your affiliate link and they sign up for Carli, you get paid. So what we would love to do is schedule just a one-on-one appointment with you and discuss the next steps and help you to come on board with us, help you to start earning consistent income for yourself for all of the hard work that you do. So in order to do that, if you're on a page with our calendar link, you can just select a day and time that works best for you, and we will do a one-on-one and help you get on board. We really look forward to working with you, and I hope you have a great day.